trees and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Kutztown, Hamburg, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Lenhartsville, Neves, Wanamaker's, Coffeetown, New Tripoli, Jordan Valley, Emerald, Schnecksville, Klausville, Bullmanstown, Perryville, and Centerport. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 56 and 73. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 27 and 55. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Carbon, and Lehigh.